the new family on Virtual Families 2, our dream house. Let's see how they are. Checking out strange smell. The kids at the door. A motley crew of grade school kids crowded around the front door, judging from their smudges on the faces, bed hair, and grass-stained clothes. It looks like they've been roughhousing outside all day. The one in the center holds a cardboard box. Within the cardboard are 5 of the cutest kittens you've ever seen. The boy says that his cat Misty had them, and his dad said he can't keep them all. So, do you want one? Yes. You pet the kitties, and suddenly a black one with short hair crawls out all of the way up your shirt sleeve to your shoulder. Apparently she's the one. You tell the boy you'll have her a gray home and take really good care of her. The boy thanks you and wonders if he can come back and say hello to her anytime you tell him. He turns and walks back down the steps with the box, and the other kids follow him. Yay, we have another cat. This will be Misty, named after her mother. I hope she... Of course, we'll need that. Yes. We need some different kinds of groceries, if that is possible. Sometimes it feels like my life has no purpose. Does everyone feel that way sometimes? Don't be a stranger. Bye for now. Basilica. Oh, poor Basilica. I never like it when they say those things. Oh, I love her dress, but it doesn't really go with her suit. I'm gonna see if the adults will want a child right now. After all, they need 2 children right now. So they won't get sad and upset. Okay, pause time. Better than yesterday. Oh, and I'm sorry for yesterday's video because it didn't have any sound because my mic was broken. But we fixed it. I don't know what the problem was, but yay, they have a baby. Having a 2-year-old is like having a blender that you don't have a top for. Let's see if it's a girl or a boy. It's a aw, look at him. He's so cute. Art. His nickname's gonna be Artetto. Okay, I'm gonna make her clean a little bit. Wow, they aren't rich, but they're getting money. I think I'm doing better than I used to. I wish you can put name tags on your pets so you know which one's which. That's Shadow, I think. That's Lily. Let's see how much socks we have in here. Many, I mean. Oh my gosh. I think there's gonna be socks underneath that. Nope. No socks, but let's check this. Nope. Nope. Dude, that is a children's room. Maybe she's wishing for something else. What I don't get is that no, don't bang those dishes, you little baby. Play with that. I think she's glitched. Poor child. That's one way to get them out of trouble. To make sure they don't get into trouble. Glitch time! 2 glitches. Arf. How do I get out? That's what it's like. How do I? I like how there are glitches. Let's see if we can glitch her. Oh. Her job's there. I forgot. I think his is here. Yeah, it said game autosave, but it hasn't even been 10 minutes yet. And I make my videos at least 10 minutes long. Okay, you can now eat. And the whole reason why I put her over there to glitch was because of that thing. Okay, the dog's still glitched. That's a little mean. Let's stop it. There's Misty and Shadow. I think Shadow, Misty. We should name tag them. How do you... Can you name tag them? Let's see this. True life, moving around, selecting someone. Hey, that's what our new son looks like. Main screen, store, family, bike coins, collections, goals, praising and scolding, feeding. Hey, I used to have someone who looked like that, and that still. I think I used to have one that looked like that, and that. Oh my gosh. I used to have someone who looked like that. And apparently they don't put that stuff down. No, do your career. She's jumping on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Eat. They get elated when they get another baby. Okay, I think I want 2 more minutes at least. Betty. I think I want to make her the new person. Isn't she pretty? Let's go see it. I miss Jasenia and Maricone and Catania and Hubby. It's so sad Hubby died. Oh my gosh. His hands. Don't bang those dishes. No. No, you do your career. Okay, when it says game autosaved one more time, I'm gonna leave. Her hair looks easy to brush. Oh, oops. Her hair looks easy to brush because it's straight. And then you look at other people's hair that you used to own and you're like, how did they brush their hair? She brushed her hair somehow and I'm like, what? I feel so sorry that she died. But it's okay because they still have family because Adrena and Aketa and Disketti still had children. Did you hurt? Did you hurt yourself? No. You hurt yourself. I don't want you to get into any more trouble. No. Oh, I think it just said game autosave, so bye. I'll see you tomorrow.